Welcome back to my channel. I have a quick unboxing today. This is from Bath Bevy. Bath Bevy was having a 30% off make room sale. That means she was trying to get rid of all of her old stuff to make room for new stuff. So 30% off. Who can pass that up? Not me. So let's go ahead and see what I got. It wasn't much because I like certain scents, and so I wasn't getting anything that wasn't a scent that appealed to me. All right, so, oh no. Look, it's 30% off, so I guess I can't complain, but this is the whole reason I ordered. This was the whole reason that I actually ordered. I went on there and I said, oh, well, this is, if I find one that I like, then I might order more than one. And this was what I ordered because it was just so awesome looking. And I thought it would just make a beautiful, like, if I put it in the water, it'll float with a nice round top. But it's all smashed up. As you can see up there, it's nothing but crummies. It's still going to work in the tub and 30% off, so I really guess I can't complain because it was all her old stuff. It's packed really well, so I don't think it happened in shipping. The box is not damaged, and she packed it really well, so maybe this is just the old stuff she was trying to get rid of. But it makes me sad, though, because honestly, I bought it specific. Look, it's just crumbs down here. But again, 30% off, okay, guys? So I'm not really tripping about it. I'm just sad because that's the reason I even made the purchase. All right. Oh, there's even crumbs in there. All right, so this next one is from Soothing Sloth, and it's called Booty Call. Don't know what the scent is, but I do like Soothing Sloth, so we shall see. I think I only got one more. Oh, I'll need to open this one. All right, this one is called Starry Night, and it's from Butter Me Soft. Oh, how pretty is that? So pretty. And then I think there was one more thing in here, not that I ordered one more thing. Oh, there's crumbs everywhere. All right, so this one is, oh, thank you so much. So this is a freebie, and it's pumpkin coconut body butter. Awesome. Thank you for the freebie. So again, there's crumbs everywhere. All right, so I have the body butter. I had the Soothing Sloth. I have this Starry Night bath bomb. I really like this. And please pardon my granddaughter out there making noise. And then this last one is the Supernova bath bomb by Two Wild Hairs. All right, guys, that's it from Bath Bevy for this time, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.